Hi, I'm Leon, a product specialist working here in Finland for AGCO, and I'm joined here today by the Massey Ferguson S series, the Voucher N series and the Fendt 930 Vario. But I'm not here to talk about AGCO's awesome range of machinery, I'm here to talk about the all-new PTO tool. So have you ever found yourself in the position where you get back to the yard and you're in a rush trying to change implements and you just can't get that PTO off? With AGCO's innovative design, we've solved that issue for you. PTO tool's curved forks, it simply slides around the end of the PTO shaft. You push your button or pull your collar pack depending on the type of PTO shaft you have and simply lever it off. The PTO tool's perfectly designed handle is the optimum length to get you enough leverage to get that PTO shaft off without causing any damage to the PTO itself. We've added a gripped handle because we all know how greasy and oily it can get in the back end of a tractor. We've also added a 1/2-inch socket drive on the side, so when you're out in the field and you want to change your wearing parts or simply tighten up a nut and bolt, chuck on your socket and away you go. The all-new PTO tool by AGCO, because we know the pain.